The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright, big up, big up. Alright, so I have a video that I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show some of the things that happened when municipal police from within the country of Jamaica was confiscating goods from a female vendor. The video will be recorded within the country of Jamaica. I just don't have any information as to when the video will be recorded. The video also shows when the female vendor and at least one municipal police was acting somewhat aggressive towards each other. See? Now, this video has been brought to my attention by someone, and one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. I would also like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about the situation shown in this video. You see? I'm going to tell you what I think about this video as well. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Yeah, idiot boy. A woman and I don't want to hurt you. You can't hurt me. You have to promise me that. You have to promise me that. I can't tell you that. You have to promise me. I'm looking at you and tell you that.
And we alone, you know, there are other people out there.
Excuse me.
Other people out there.
May I go? Lady, step away.
And we alone, you know, there are other people out there.
No, not today. Not today. Lady, step away from the car. Guys, give me some assistance with this car. Come, pull this car out to me now. Give me some assistance with the car.
And I mark it with it, and I mark it with it. Come on.
Okay, makes sense. Makes
I know we alone, you know, there. I know we alone. And then I mark it with it. And then I mark it with it. And then I mark it.
Lady, I don't want to hurt you.
I mark it with it. Over there.
But you're not here, come on, let's go park here. I'm not going to park on here.
I mark it with it. Over there.
Madam.
I mark it with it.
Lady, come on for the car. No.
Miss,
not today.
Comply here.
Not today.
No, comply.
Miss,
Lady, come on for the car.
comply.
Lady,
Me not comply. You know why?
what the officers are?
You know, say you're in a serious trouble. Comply.
What the
Everybody say this, you know why? I mark it with it.
Comply.
I mark it with
Just comply.
Look here.
You know, say if you don't come to the hard on you.
Listen what I say. Other me, it has to be hard because me go get me life. You know why? I'm in the market. And this one,
No, but
you know why reason?
no, miss, you done expose it already, you know.
You know what?
You expose it already, you know.
Expose it from where?
Hold on,
In the market right here.
I will deal with it.
In the market right here. In the market right here. In the market right here. In the market right here, so. Why problem? Niggas say I want to take up my loan. Yes, so. For what reason? We don't come out. We don't go out the road.
I need some assistance.
Me not come out from the cat. And if I'm dead, me not come out from the cat. And if I'm judgment, me not come out from the cat.
My people, from a little youth within the country of Jamaica until me a big grown man, the amount of times when I say vendors run from municipal police within the country of Jamaica with them goods in their hands. You see what I say? See, me remember one time I see a vendor just grab all the chapalin and just scoop up the four side of the chapalin as much as the person can and just set some baps over his shoulder and just gone. You see me? And it's not even a joking thing, you know. See, because me remember one time a vendor and a municipal police fight because the vendor decides say nobody now take for him goods, you know. I close him to that cell. You see me, I say, my people? Yeah, when it comes down to a situation where a municipal police or municipal police confiscate vendors' goods, sometimes I don't know how to feel. And I real. See me, and here why me say so. See me? It's when it comes down to a situation like that, my feelings feel half and half. Yeah, it's like 6 on one side of the situation and half dozen on the other side of the situation. Because there are rules and laws within the country of Jamaica that should be obeyed, or in my point of view, must be obeyed. But at the same time, I do not like to know that a vendor loses her goods. No, I don't feel good for know that. See me? Because a lot of people do vending to support their family. Some people do vending, let me repeat that, some people do vending to go back to school, to survive. Sometimes I wonder if the government of Jamaica could design a system for vendors who get caught by municipal police doing illegal vending a certain amount of times, could keep his or her goods, but would have to face certain consequences. But if the same vendor or vendors get caught by municipal police doing illegal vending more than 2 or 3 times, then consequences should be harsher, like losing his or her goods and or paying big fines. You understand me? See, the reason why I said those things, the viewers and subscribers, is because I know that people make mistakes. See, so by doing a system like that, if someone make a mistake, the person can learn from his or her mistake. You understand what I say? And then at the same time, I know so that there are certain procedures when municipal police take a vendor's goods that the vendor can follow. You understand what I say to you? I know that, you see? But I just make the suggestion here to see if things could have been better for vendors, because every vendor do certain things when it comes down to illegal vending of your subscribers. But you have some vendors who do certain things and it give a bad image on all vendors. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. You see me answer, my people? Anyways, you know. So, my people, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. You know? Yeah, and when it comes down to the situation shown in that video, viewers and subscribers, I think that the female should comply and don't put herself into any trouble certain ways. You see me I say? Yeah, it's best to comply, then make complaint to necessary authorities. I've said this before in previous videos that I've posted. You see me I say? Yeah. Anyways, my people, yeah, so I'm gonna leave it here. So let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, viewers and subscribers. You see, I'm not sure if the vendor get back the goods. I don't know what happened after the video have been recorded. No, I don't know what happened after the video have been recorded, but you know, I wish the best for the vendor, and yes, I'm gonna leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself and see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.